This one is a bit long, so we'll have to find each coordinates of each point. So to start with, we are given p equals to -2 comma 1, and we are given s is the focus, which for the parabola y square equals to 4x will be 1 comma 0. Now we'll start with the tangents to the parabola from the point P. So recall that if y square is 4x, we get 2y prime equals to 4x, 4 by differentiating, which gives us y prime equals to 2 by y. That gives us the equation of the tangents, or a tangent at the point x comma y. So that is y, and also we are given that the line passes through -2 comma 1, the tangents passes through -2 comma 1, so we get y minus 1 upon x plus 2 equals to 2 by y. So this is the slope of the line passing through P and any point x comma y, and this is the slope which we got from differentiating the equation of parabola. We also have y square equals to 4x, so we get x equals to y square by 4, which we write here. Now cross multiplying, we get y square minus y equals to divided by 2 plus 4. So these are the y coordinates of the points at which the tangents from the point P touches the given parabola. So we get the y coordinates of those points are 4 and -2. So that gives us the x coordinates as 4 and 1. So we get P1 -2 comma 4 and P2 minus 1 comma -2 and 4 comma 4. So these are the 2 points, the tangents from which intersect at P, -2 comma 1. Now using this equation, we'll get the slopes of the tangents, but I don't think we need them. So what is next? Q1 and Q2 the points on the lines SP1 and SP2 respectively. So this is P1 and this is P2, so this is some SP1 and SP2 and the lines now we have to draw so from point P, so this is the perpendicular, so this becomes Q1 and this is Q2. So Q1 is easy to find. The equation, the Q1 simply is x coordinate from this line from P1s, which is 1, and the y coordinate from P, which is also 1. So we have the point Q1. For Q2, the slope of P2s is given by 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 1, which is 4 by 3. That gives us the slope of Q2s or Q2p, which is perpendicular to P2s, so that becomes -3 by 4. So the equation of line P Q2p is 3 4x plus 3y plus 4y equals to, and as this line passes through P, minus 2 comma 1 should satisfy. So we get this is minus 2 by substituting x as minus 2 and y as 1. So we have this, we have equation of sp2 as 4x minus 3y equals to 4. Solving these two, we get 9x plus 16y equals to 10, or 9y plus 16. Multiplying this equation by 4 and this by 3, this by 3 and this by 4. So that gives us x equals to 2 by 5, which gives us y equals to minus 4 by 5. So we have the coordinates of Q2, 2 by 5 and minus 4 by 5. So now as Q1 is root 2, no, s is 1 comma 0. So as Q1 is 1, so A option is incorrect. Q1 Q2 is under root of 1 minus 2 by 5 3 by 5 squared plus 1 minus 4 by 5, which is 9 by 5 squared, 81 by 25. 25 is 18 by 5. So B option is correct. PQ1 is 3. Yeah, C option is correct. And SQ2 there is an ambiguity here. If we take this point as Q2 and this point as P2 and these P2 and Q2 as P1 and Q1 respectively, we get the option, because S is 1 0, then Q2 would be 1 comma 1, and yeah, so in that case D option is correct. But I think the question could have been more clear. A pair of tangents drawn from the meet the parabola, the point. Yeah, there's no way to ascertain which point is Q1 and which point is Q2, or rather which point is P1 and which point is P2. So the answer is BCD.